Either way, they will get money. Either they will get from Americans or they will get, like kidnap you and demand ransom.
It's a good time to go. Mogadishu certainly looks like a dangerous place on the streets, judged by the number of guns, but this is where you see the final result. It's here at the Al Medina Hospital, where today they have 60 injured men alone here, all of whom have been shot by heavy machine guns. In a country where guns and violence rule, everybody gets caught in a crossfire, including the innocent. Tell me, what happened to you?
She said, I am in the car. Just
A group of Malaysians.
as a group of Malaysia, they come in front of us and they shoot at us. They wanted to loot the car.
But the driver has
The driver is refusing.
This is a country that's been ruled by the warlords for the last 16 years.
Last 16 years.
So you have warlords. We saw a girl in there, 19 years old, shot in the leg by a warlord.
By a warlord.
Who's supporting the warlords?
Some of the warlords, on the record, on radio stations, are saying that they are working on the behalf of the Americans.
Abdullahi receives a call from one of his lookouts. Fighting has broken out nearby.
Abdullahi, what do your security sources tell you has just happened?
One of warlords are starting shelling it at the seaports.
So they're actually shells. I mean, big mortars are being fired back and forth across by the seaboard. So this really is a war zone.
It is. You have to know that. It's not a matter of joke. It is a war here.
While Abdullahi is against it, I convince him we should go to the port and check out the action.
This road goes to university. This road?
You see what's happening here?
Yeah.
You see how many temples we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost
Look
5.
what's happening here.
Almost 5 of them.
See the other side? They all come from out of the woods. They're talking our guys saying that you guys are not supposed to be spreading around. Go in one line.
Abdullahi, our host here, is saying that things can change in seconds out here. We have 5 technicals that we're traveling with up to the port. As we came along here, local gunmen saw us and didn't know whether we were friend or foe. So they ran up here and actually assumed firing positions. It was only after the head of the port came up here to tell them that we weren't bad guys that they have put their weapons down. So extremely volatile, very dangerous situation.
Mogadishu's main port has long been closed due to daily shelling between warlords and Islamic courts, leaving the Somali people virtually severed from the rest of the world. In order to receive even the most basic supplies, the Somalis have taken over this beach as an improvised port. Everything they need, legal and illegal, must be hauled out of the water by hand.
These are the most dangerous waters anywhere in the world off the coast of Somalia. This is where piracy is its highest. There's no sight that's feared more by mariners anywhere around the world than Somali gunmen in a small motorboat like this making their way towards their ship. It's gunmen like this that actually attacked a passenger ship not long ago off of Somalia and have actually taken as hostage oil tankers and other major vessels.
As we navigate these waters in search of the world's most feared seafaring gangsters, the sun begins to sink low on the horizon. It's our cue to point our bow towards shore and return to town to spend the night. Miles of dark, dusty roads between us and our beds, I reflect on the past few days in Somalia. I've only been in country a short time, and I've already gotten a taste of life on the edge.